Hi, this is Subhash, Senior Aptitude Trainer from DURGASOFT. We are discussing about the aptitude and reasoning topics so far. Today's topic is going to be number system, which is very important, and we can say almost it is backbone for all the topics which are in quantitative. In quantitative, every question somehow it is connected to a number. The number system explains how to play with the numbers rather than doing maths. Many times we have the problem in solving the questions in the real-time examination with the calculations, the big multiplications, squares, square roots, cubes, that kills our valuable time. How to overcome with that problem in the real-time examination. So today we are going to learn so many techniques. How can we save our valuable time in real-time calculations? So, topic is number system. What is number system? The number system is nothing but we discuss here all the different type of numbers, their properties, and the calculations can be solved in faster way. Let us see what are the different type of numbers we use usually. What are the different type of numbers we have? Natural numbers. Then what are the natural numbers? The natural numbers starts from 1. So this is denoted by capital N. Set of natural numbers is denoted by capital N, and the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Endless. It is natural numbers. And next, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are denoted by W. Natural numbers are from 1 onwards, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Just add one more 0 to the system of natural numbers, it will become whole numbers. Means whole number starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the whole numbers. What is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers? Whole number starts from 0 and natural number starts from 1. So here in this case we need to understand, if we take a number 3, 3 is a whole number as well it is a natural number. 0 is only the whole number but it is not natural numbers. And next, integers. What are the integers? Integers are nothing but it is a set of numbers in which all natural numbers are present and negative natural numbers are present and 0 also. This mixing of all these three, natural numbers, negative natural numbers and 0 together are called integers. Usually integers is denoted by Z. In this, negative natural numbers 0 and positive natural numbers. Dash dash dash, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Usually this we see in real number line. So real number line contains -infinity to infinity. In that, negative numbers 0 and positive numbers are there. But here only the whole numbers and natural numbers takes place, no decimals. Integer, a decimal is not integer. This is whole number. And next, even numbers. What are the even numbers? The number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called even number. Let us say E is denoted by even number, and The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are even numbers. Usually we take the positive numbers even, the negative number also can be even number. So 2, 4, 6 and so on are exactly divisible by 2. These are the even numbers. And then odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? The number which exactly not divisible by 2 is called odd number. If we take O to denote odd number, the number which is not exactly divisible by 2, or else we can define the odd number like this. In a system of natural numbers, other than all even numbers are odd numbers. In a system of natural numbers, other than even numbers, all are odd numbers. The even numbers in natural number system is 2, 4, 6 and so on. Apart from this, the everything, all excluding even numbers, all are odd numbers. Say 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. By eliminating all even numbers from natural numbers, whatever left, the numbers are odd numbers. And this is very, very important, prime numbers. What are prime numbers? This is very important. Many of us don't know exactly what is a prime number. The prime number here we define in different way, which gives exact solution for a prime number system. The prime numbers are nothing but the number which has exactly two different factors are called prime numbers. The number which has exactly two different factors means the number whatever we call a prime number, it should have only two factors and the two factors must be different. Say for example, if I take a number 3, how many factors it has? The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. This is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 3. Here these are the two different factors. 3 is a prime number. It is, therefore 3 is prime number. If I take 6, let us see what happens. The factors are 6 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 2 also since it is even number, and this is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 6 also. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number which has exactly two different factors is prime number. We take 6, it has the factors 4 factors, so this is not a prime number. Therefore 6 is not prime. So prime number in the sense the number which has exactly two different factors. Now always the doubt is with the 1. If we take 1, what are the factors of 1? The 1 is divisible by just 1, means it has only one factor. Here 1 has only one factor. According to prime number definition, the number which has exactly two different factors, 1 has only one factor, that's why 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime. So we should not get confused in case of 1. Prime number in the sense it must have only two different factors, neither less nor more, but 1 has only one factor, that's why 1 cannot be a prime number. 3 is a prime number. Even you take 7 has the factors. Here 1 is a factor of 7 and 7 also a factor. Only two factors are there, therefore 7 is prime. So we must be cleared what is the prime number. And next, coming to next type, composite number. What are the composite numbers? Composite numbers are nothing but the numbers which has more than two different factors are composite numbers. The number which has more than two different factors. The number which has more than two different factors is a composite number. Let us take few examples. For example, 8, I am taking a number 8. Then what are the factors of 8? 8 is divisible by 1 and 8 is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 4 and also it is divisible by 8. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors. What is a composite number? The number which has more than two different factors. It has 4 different factors. That's why this is a composite number. Therefore, 8 is composite number. So we take an example 7. What are the factors of 7? It is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 7. That's it. It has only two factors. Therefore, 7 is not a composite number. According to definition, the composite number should have more than two different factors. More than two different factors means at least 3 it should have. Now coming to very important confused number, which is 1. How many factors 1 has? There is only one factor. Since composite number is having more than two factors, 1 has only one factor. That's why 1 is not a composite number. So therefore, 1 is not a composite number. So from this it's very clear 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. This is very important. Many of us have confusion. What about the 1? 1 is neither prime nor composite. So your result is 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we are discussing about different type of numbers, and very important type next we are going to discuss, which is rational number. it may be different, but in aptitude we consider the rational numbers and decimal numbers are same. Rational numbers and decimal numbers are same, or we can say fractions also. The form is different, but all these are same in aptitude. Rational numbers, decimal numbers, or fractions. Then what is rational number? Usually it is denoted by Q, a rational number. Rational number is denoted by Q. What is rational number which is in P by Q form? This is nothing but P by Q form is a rational number. And what is decimal? Decimal is having a dot, a number with a dot. With dot. See example 7.25, 0.57. A number with dot is a decimal number, and P by Q form is a rational number. The example is 7 by 5, 2 by 3, 5, 2 by 7. These are the different type of P by Q formats. Fraction is nothing but a small part. The fraction can be expressed in P by Q format or in decimal form. So fraction is nothing but P by Q form or decimal form. So anything is a fraction. So every fraction means every P by Q form we can express in decimal form. Every decimal form we can convert into P by Q form. That's why rational numbers, decimal numbers, and fractions all are same. There is no difference between them. We learn little bit more concepts on the rational numbers. When we write a rational number in P by Q, what this top number P is called and what is this bottom number Q is called? Here P is called numerator and the Q is called denominator. The top number is called numerator and this below number is called denominator. So P by Q is a rational number. As we have seen, examples 2 by 7, 15 by 4, and etc. Now there are different type of rational numbers. We can call these fractions also. These fractions are different types. We will see what are the different type of fractions. One is proper fraction, and improper fraction, and the last one is mixed fraction. There are three different type of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Then what is proper fraction? This fraction is nothing but P by Q form. As we know, fraction is a P by Q form. It has numerator and it has denominator. Now coming to proper fraction. The proper fraction is nothing but in P by Q form. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is called proper fraction. So, numerator is smaller than denominator is proper fraction. This is numerator and this is denominator. If numerator is smaller than denominator, it is called proper fraction. Example 2 by 7, 2 is smaller than 7. 5 by 17, the numerator is smaller than denominator. So these all are proper fractions. Then what is improper fraction? In the improper fraction, in a fraction p by q format, if the denominator is smaller than the numerator, it is called improper fraction. Means numerator must be big and denominator small. Means just reverse case of this. If numerator smaller than denominator, it is proper fraction. If numerator is bigger than denominator, this is improper fraction. Say example, 7 by 3, 15 by 7, 111 by 99. In all cases, what we observe, the top number numerator is bigger than denominator, which is called improper fraction. And then mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing but the combination of two numbers. One number is natural number and other number is proper fraction. Means the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Means it is nothing but a natural number plus a proper fraction. Is called mixed fraction. Say example, take any natural number, say 7, plus a proper fraction, I take 3 by 8. 7 is a natural number, 3 by 8 is a proper fraction. Since numerator is smaller than denominator, then each natural number plus a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. This 7 plus 3 by 8 also we can express as just 7 3 by 8. 7 plus 3 by 8 is nothing but 7 3 by 8. In the real time examination, we see in the question this type of, but it is not split and given like 7 plus 3 by 8. But while solving the problems related to these fractions, better always we need to understand 7 plus 3 by 8 is nothing but 7 3 by 8. Even 7 3 by 8, wherever we see that in mind, visualize that is nothing but 7 plus 3 by 8. Then by using this concept, every 7 3 by 8 can be written as 7 plus 3 by 8. You can work out a problem in faster way. Let us take one example how the question can be solved by taking 7 3 by 8 as 7 plus 3 by 8 whenever the question is related to this mixed fractions or fractions. See, for example, in a real time question, if we see a problem like this, what is the value of three 1 by 2 plus 7 3 by 2 minus 5, minus 5. 3 1 by 2 plus 7 3 by 2 minus 5. Here it looks a little bit difficult. If we use some mathematical approach, it takes time. So for mathematical approach, we need to convert this into improper fraction. We'll learn later. And even 7 3 by 2 should be converted into some improper fraction. Then take LCM. It takes longer time. If we use this concept, every 7 3 by 8 can be written as 7 plus 3 by 8. That you can solve within 5 seconds, I am sure. See how it works. 3 1 by 2 you can write as 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 7 3 by 2 you can write as 7 plus 3 by 2 and minus 5. Now just to take the integers and simplify. 3, the integers are 3, 7 and 5. So first to simplify this, 3 plus 7 is 11, 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. And later coming to this fractions, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Since the denominators are same, just we add these two numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by the same denominator. 4 by 2 is going to be 2. Then 5 plus 2, which is going to be 7 is your answer. So without doing any mathematical approach, directly we could write the answer by using the concept where 7 3 by 8 can be expressed as 7 plus 3 by 8. Later we see more examples. And here types of fractions are 3: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. And there we have facility, we can convert every improper into mixed and every mixed into improper. Let us see how it can it be done. A mixed fraction can be converted into an improper fraction at the same time the improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Let us see how it works. Now I am taking 3 2 by 7. What is the type of this fraction? This is a natural number plus a proper fraction which is mixed. Then we are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. It is very simple. Just multiply this 7 and 3. It is 7 into 3. Perform the multiplication. 7 3s are 21, and for the 21 here 7 3s are 21, and add this number 2, 21 plus 2, 23, and divide by 7. This is improper fraction. How do we operate it here? Multiply this 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, and plus 2, 21 plus 2 is 23, by 7 you are writing. Take another example, 5 2 by 3. How can you convert this into improper? Multiply these two, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 by 3 is the improper fraction. So every mixed fraction you can convert into improper fraction. At the same time we can convert every improper into mixed. Let us see how it is. Say for example 17 by 3, this is improper. Now convert this into mixed. This is equal to, what is the mixed fraction? As we know, 17 by 3 is nothing but 7 should be divided by 3. We perform the same division. 17 is divided by 3. Perform ordinary division. In 17, 3 will go how many times? This 5 times. 3 5s 15, and the remainder is 2. At least we should know what this 3, 17, 5 and 2 are called. We know this 2 is called remainder, and this 5 is called quotient, and this 3 which is dividing, it is divisor, and this 70, the number which we are dividing, this is called dividend. The number which we are dividing is dividend. By which number we are dividing, it is divisor, and the result is called quotient, and whatever the left at the end, it is a remainder. 17 by 3 is an improper fraction. Our idea is to convert into mixed fraction. To convert an improper fraction into mixed fraction, perform ordinary division. After the division, 17 by 3 improper fraction exactly we are converting into mixed. Its equivalent to mixed fraction is going to be, write down the quotient plus the remainder divided by the divisor. So this is, quotient is 5 plus remainder is 2 divided by the divisor is 3. 5 plus 2 by 3 is nothing but simply we write 5 2 by 3. So 17 by 3 When converted into mixed fraction, it is going to be 5 2 by 3. You can cross check whether this 5 2 by 3 is exactly equivalent to 17 by 3 or not. Just now we learn how to convert a mixed into improper fraction. It is nothing but 3 into 5 15 plus 2 17, 17 by 3. So here exactly 17 by 3. So like this, every mixed fraction we can convert into improper and improper into mixed. This is very important. In conversions we use it.